can I help? Come in.
Come in? Ooh. Where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can join the designer family, and make sure you hit that post notification bell so that you are notified every single time I do an upload. So as you saw on the cover for today's vlog, finally the day has come. I have been sharing snippets with you guys of what's been going on throughout this process on my Instagram page, by_Lakeisha, and you guys were just as hyped as I am about this in my DM, so I figured I'd go ahead and post this before it's supposed to come out so that I can also share pictures on Instagram of her and her excitement and everything. So if you are here, you're about to see a small piece of the journey to getting her house all built and designed for her, and it's not done. So what you see here is just to get her started for the summertime. I want to make that like a full-on little escape place for her to enjoy, because they have beautiful summers here in Seattle, and the year that we've had, I've seen how important it is to have nice outdoor spaces and just have a nice comfortable home, period. So that is my goal for this house. So I'm going to mention it later on in this video, but these houses are super fun. Dakota had wanted a Barbie dream house for Christmas, but when I saw that I could get her her own actual house for the price of a Barbie dream house, not too far off, I was like, run with it. So that's how I came up with this idea and got to going with this house. They have different styles you can find: modern, cottage, ranch, farm, just all types of houses. I'm gonna have some link down in the description box for you guys if you're interested in getting one for your little one. Don't forget to like and comment and let me know what you guys thought about this. I am in love, she is in love. I want to know what you guys think about it. I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys go ahead and get right into the vlog. See you guys later. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
So a portion of this house came already put together. So in order to paint the door the color that I wanted to, I had to remove it from the frame that was already put together. Ended up deciding to use spray paint to cover the door because it was more cost efficient instead of going out and purchasing a can of paint just to do this small piece. I used 3 coats and it covered the door very well. First coat. So this is what the whole design is based off of. I got this off of Etsy, and I got to pick the colors I wanted her rainbow to be. I wanted to do something different. I didn't want to do the normal pink and white. Dakota's saying hi, and she has no idea what's going on. So yeah. So the whole color scheme is based off of this, and her name is in gold. And so I'm trying to decide between these different shades of pink. I think I've narrowed it down because the DOOR is this color. And so I'm trying to decide between these 2 shades. Doesn't have to match perfectly, but I'm kind of liking this retro pink. I think I like that one. It's going to be either this one and this one. These are by Bear. This one is retro pink, and then this one up here is rose pottery.
Hi guys. Me, I always hey guys. Me. Wait. Mom. Hey, Mommy, yeah.
I found it so funny that every time I would be prepping something for her house, she would want to be involved. So I did end up letting her paint. She helped me with the mailbox. She picked the color she wanted for her house. She was making all these decisions and did not know that I was actually going to be all for her. What I'm doing here is just painting the trim for the house. The main color on this house was blue, and Dakota is not about that blue life, so of course I had to pick a good shade, pink. Well, she picked it out. So that's what you see me doing here. Everything that was blue on the house, I just changed it to pink. Alright guys, so Dakota's dad got up this morning and started working on her house. I'll show you guys. This is a few things that I got for the inside, but I'll show you guys that later. I'm about to prop y'all up out here with him so you can get a little bit of him making it. Alright, so he came in as I was coming out, but this is what he has done so far. The frame was pretty much just like a pop-up, so this part was already completed when you purchase it. And the door was on there as well, but I took it off to paint it. So when he comes around, you guys will be able to see him put the rest of it together. So while Dad was outside getting the house all situated, I was keeping Dakota entertained upstairs in her room and my room, and she kept wondering, where is her dada? And I'm like, girl, mind your business. But I had to keep her entertained all day. She kept trying to go downstairs, and it took him a couple hours to do this. So we ended up leaving the house to go see Santa. And I showed that trip to the mall to go see Santa on a previous vlog. But yeah, it does take a couple of hours because all the parts that have to go in the house, you have to put on piece by piece outside of the frame that was like a pop-up situation. So if you are considering doing this project, definitely consider that. And from what he said, it's not hard to put together, it's just tedious, so you do have to take a couple of hours from your day to get it done. You can also break that up if you wanted to, but we were just kind of wanting to get it done and out of the way so I can try to figure out how I wanted to design the inside and see the exact dimensions and how it looked. Also, the colors that I chose are just more to fit my style, and I wanted it to kind of match the backyard a little bit. But people get so creative with these playhouses. If you go on Pinterest and just look up houses, you'll see all the different things that people do with them. And if you are interested in purchasing one for your little one, I'll link a couple different styles down below for you guys in the description box to check out on your own. They're pretty cost efficient, so if you're purchasing doll houses, which is what Dakota really wanted, you can get your child their own house for around the same price, depending on the style house. They have modern farmhouses, ranch, you know, just all type style houses, so definitely check it out. This is the stuff that I'm going to use right now to get her house set up for the fall winter. I'm not going to do a whole lot because it rains a lot here. So I made her a mailbox. I showed this to you guys a little bit on Instagram. If you follow me there, you would have seen how I you know, basically got the parts and all that stuff and put it together. She has a doormat that I'm going to layer with the one that's already out here. She has some lights to string around. I have a little curtain to put in there that matches perfectly with the paint color that I chose. Then she has this picture that also matches that I'm going to put in there. It was an extra frame we had in the house, so I just went and got this print off of Etsy, and it matched perfectly. Got her some plants for her planters, some flowers, her wreath. Her name sign is down under there. You guys will see that later, but I'm going to go ahead and get started before she wakes up. I'm about to wake her up now. Oh Lord, abort. What is that, Coda? What's that outside back there? Back there, what is that? Is that something back there for you? What is that, Code?
That's a playhouse.
What?
That's a playhouse.
Whose is it?
That's my house.
Yes, it's your house. Do you love it? What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? You like it? You do? You were playing it today? It's supposed to be really sunny outside. It's Mommy.
What's in my house? The man.
Come in. Ooh, God, it's so cute in your house. What all do you have in here?
I have a guy.
Oh, you got your little kitchen.
Here you go.
Oh, you made me a sandwich? I'm coming to your house all the time. And what do you have back there behind you on the wall? So we have your ABCs in this pretty frame.
You have, I have
matching
Gecko.
curtains, a little storage bin.
You like Gecko?
Uh-huh. That's a pita bread for a sandwich. And her little kitchen area. Definitely gonna do a lot more upgrading in the summertime. We're gonna add some lights on the trim for her for at night and everything. But this was just to get her kind of started with her house. And she loves it. I've already had a meal here earlier today. We're about to run to Walmart, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this so that I can get this edited and up on the vlog. Say see you later.
Bye. Bye, Mommy.
Bye.